What if the moon disappeared tomorrow? The shocking consequences. Imagine waking up and the moon is gone. No warning, no explanation, just an empty sky where a beacon once hung for billions of years. The moon has been our silent guardian, shaping life, steering oceans, guiding ancient civilizations, and without it, the world would spiral into chaos faster than you ever thought possible. Tonight, we dive into a chilling reality. What if the moon disappeared tomorrow? Brace yourself, the consequences are more terrifying than you can imagine. A night without the moon. Imagine waking up one night, looking at the sky, and seeing nothing. No glowing moon, no soft silver light. The stars seem lonely, and the night feels wrong. What if the moon vanished tomorrow? The idea sounds like a sci-fi movie, but the consequences would be real, dramatic, and terrifying. The moon, our quiet neighbor, does more than just light up the night. It holds our world together in ways we barely notice until it's gone. Tides gone wild. The moon's gravity pulls on Earth's oceans, creating tides that rise and fall like a heartbeat. Without it, the tides would shrink to almost nothing. Coastal cities would face chaos. Fishermen who depend on tidal patterns would be lost. Ecosystems in places like mangroves and coral reefs would collapse as the gentle rhythm of the tide stops. According to scientists, the sun's weaker gravity would try to take over, but it's not enough. Beaches would dry up, ports would struggle, and entire economies tied to the sea would crumble. The ocean, once a predictable friend, would turn into a stranger. A wobbly, spinning Earth. The moon keeps Earth steady, like a dancer holding a partner's hand. Without it, our planet would wobble wildly. Experts say Earth's axis could tilt dramatically, swinging from stable seasons to extreme weather in a matter of years. Summers could burn hotter than ever, and winters could freeze entire continents. Imagine New York buried in snow for months or the Sahara Desert flooding. Farmers wouldn't know when to plant crops. Animals would struggle to adapt. The delicate balance of life would unravel, leaving humanity scrambling to survive in a world turned upside down. Nights of endless darkness. No moon means no moonlight. Nights would feel darker, heavier. Cities might glow with artificial lights, but rural areas would drown in pitch-black shadows. Stargazers would mourn the loss of their muse, and poets would lose their favorite symbol of love and mystery. But it's more than beauty. Animals that hunt or navigate by moonlight, like owls and sea turtles, would face extinction. Human safety could take a hit too. Imagine trying to walk a forest path or sail a boat in total darkness. The night, once a time of wonder, would become a time of fear. A blow to science and dreams. The moon has inspired humanity for centuries. It pushed us to explore space, to dream beyond our world. Without it, would we still reach for the stars? Space programs might lose their spark. The moon landings, a symbol of human courage, would fade into distant memory. Scientists studying gravity, astronomy, or even climate would lose a key piece of the puzzle. The absence of the moon would feel like a hole in our hearts, a reminder that we lost something we never truly appreciated. The human spirit tested. The moon's disappearance would shake humanity to its core. People would panic, religions would question their beliefs, and governments would struggle to keep order. But in the chaos, there's hope. Humans are resilient. We find ways to adapt, new technologies to stabilize the tides, new crops for strange seasons, new stories to light up the dark. The loss of the moon would test us, but it could also remind us how fragile our world is and how much we need to protect it. A world forever changed. If the moon disappeared tomorrow, Earth wouldn't just lose a pretty light in the sky. It would lose its balance, its rhythm, its dreams. The consequences would ripple through nature, science, and our very souls. So, the next time you see the moon glowing softly above, take a moment to thank it. It's more than a rock, it's the silent guardian of our world, and without it, everything we know could fall apart. Without the moon, life as we know it would unravel. But for now, the moon still watches over us, a silent reminder of just how delicate and miraculous our existence really is. If you found this as mind-blowing as we did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more shocking what-if scenarios, and let us know in the comments what would you miss the most if the moon vanished. Stay curious and stay amazed.